Bienvenue à vous. Voilà, heureux d'accueillir à nouveau le président élu Donald Trump à Paris pour cette réouverture de Notre-Dame 5 ans après. Il était président à l'époque quand le feu a pris la cathédrale, je m'en souviens. President, it's a great honor for French people to welcome you 5 years later. And you were at that time present for the first time. And I remember the solidarity and your immediate reaction. So, welcome back again.
Well, thank you
we are very happy to have you here.
Thank you very much. Very great honor. And we had a great relationship, as everyone knows. We accomplished a lot together. And the people of France are spectacular. I guess it's one of our largest groups in the United States, French people. And we respect them and we love them. Very talented people. Extremely energetic people, as you know very well.
Yeah.
And it's an honor to be here. We had a good time together, and we had a lot of success, really great success working together on defense and offense too. And it certainly seems like the world is going a little crazy right now.
Yeah.
And we'll be talking about that. Thank you very much for being here.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Asseyez-vous. Merci beaucoup.
Merci bien.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.